Morning. What? Oof. Sorry. Yeah. Well, welcome back to reality, princess.
Salem!
Some of these kids pack a mighty tasty lunch. Hey, you're the best whiner.
Salem!
You were saying?
Oh, yeah. Remember to breathe.
That hits the spot. Ooh, I'm freezing here. Who's got the blow dry?
Salem! When is this spell going to end?
Right about now? What's a lovely confection like you doing in a squalid kitchen like this? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Too sweet. Suddenly, I feel like Elvis on a cheesecake bender. Gotcha.
Oh!
Dust bunnies, not just for breakfast anymore. Excusez-moi. Huh? Milk, nature's way of saying, me likey. Hey, in case anyone cares, we're out of milk.